this is. Zero martial training. All right, so some basic drills we can do. This just helps you get used to the movement. Once you've done this enough times, you can, be more free flowing with it. So simple drill is we use, it's called cross stepping. If you have tiles on the ground or something, you can always use that, or you can always tape stuff off, right? So on this mat, for example, we got lines here. So we won't use it right now, just so we can have proper alignment with the camera here. So if we're gonna go just, right foot forward stance, whichever you want, you should do both equally. All right, so we'll just do this way. So we just cross, so you got your center of your cross, step forward, step back to the center, step back, step forward. Again, proper positioning, proper foot positioning. My toe is always pointing forward to my target. So we can go left, back to center, right, back to center. And we still have the same principle of rear wheel drive, always pushing from the far side of the direction you're going. All right. So with the cross step, we can always turn into the cross step into an X stepping. All right. So we can go forward, back, forward on the angle, back on the angle, forward, back on the angle, forward. Okay. So with this X stepping, we can also do it a little differently. We can add a little bit of an idea of the Wing Chun, how it's back and point, here, back and point. So it depends how you like to do it. I'm more of a Wing Chun guy as far as my footwork, so I like to have that back leg there, like that. All right, so with the cross stepping, you can turn it into square stepping. So forward, left, back, right. You can go the opposite direction with it. You can pick another square, whatever you want. And then with X stepping, you can do diamond. All right, so you go forward, and again, going different directions. When you've done them, switch to left lead forward and practice that for balance in movement, because when you're moving, you never know where you're going to end up, and you should be strong in all positions. And just one more, there's different levels you can go with this. This is called circle step, so it just helps you change your position. So it's just a simple over, here, over, here. So it's more of a half circle, crescent moon type thing. All right, you just reposition yourself. You don't want to stay here for long because this is an opportunity for you to get kicked in the balls. So just right here. Just changes your position. Okay. So those are some basic drills you could practice, help you get used to moving around. Again, remain balanced. This is your tank turrets. You want to keep this always balanced. And the more you practice these different ways of moving, the more natural it become and the more dynamic you can be with it. And you can switch between the Wing Chun, heel onto the ball with the boxing, and just move a little bit more freer.